Electric vehicles were supposed to change the world, cleaner cities, lower emissions, a future without gasoline, and for millions of people, they already have. But hidden beneath every electric car is a question the industry rarely talks about. What happens to EV batteries after 10 years? Because unlike a fuel tank, batteries age, and replacing one can cost more than the car itself. EVs are exploding in popularity. Governments are pushing electric transportation, car companies are investing billions, and many owners love the instant acceleration, quiet speed, and lower maintenance. But the heart of every EV is its lithium-ion battery pack. Over time, these batteries slowly lose capacity, just like a phone battery. Except, instead of powering your phone for a day, an EV battery powers a 2-ton machine moving at highway speeds. After years of charging, heat, fast charging, and daily use, degradation becomes unavoidable. Most EV batteries don't suddenly fail overnight. Instead, range slowly drops year after year. A car that once traveled 500 kilometers may eventually struggle to reach 350. For many drivers, that's manageable, but the real problem begins when batteries become damaged or replacement is needed. Battery packs are incredibly expensive. In some cases, replacing a battery can cost between $15,000 to $30,000, sometimes more. And unlike traditional cars, many EV batteries are deeply integrated into the structure of the vehicle, making repairs difficult, specialized, and expensive. Even small accidents can sometimes result in insurance companies declaring EVs a total loss. Then comes another challenge: recycling. Lithium, nickel, cobalt, and other rare materials must be recovered safely. But large-scale battery recycling infrastructure is still developing around the world, and as millions of EVs age simultaneously over the next decade, the pressure will only grow. The industry knows this problem exists. That's why companies are racing to improve battery technology. New chemistries promise longer lifespan, solid-state batteries could reduce degradation, and old EV batteries may find a second life storing energy for homes and power grids. Some modern EV batteries are already lasting far longer than early predictions. But the transition to electric transportation isn't just about building new cars. It's about creating an entire long-term ecosystem for repair, recycling, mining, electricity, and sustainability. Because the true test of electric vehicles won't happen when they're new. It'll happen when millions of them become old. Electric cars may still be the future, but every future comes with hidden costs. And the EV battery story is only just beginning.